Hi, in front of me is TCL 25G, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. Firstly, you need to access menu. Now find Sound Recorder and tap on it. Click Allow and tap on this purple mic to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the same button. If you want to delete your recording right away, tap on this bin icon over here. But if you wish to end it and save it, click on the red button on the right. Name your recording however you wish to, and just save. Now, if you want to access a list of all your recordings, click at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. You can always delete it though by holding it, tapping on this bin icon over here, and selecting delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!